Hello, everyone. In today's training session, we are going to learn how to set up the payment methods in the Onfinity ERP. Here is the agenda. The objective enables you to understand the payment method and its associated terms in the context of business processes. The prerequisites for creating a payment method in Onfinity ERP require a configured tenant in your environment. Ensure that organizations are configured in your tenant. Now, let's understand what a payment method is. A payment method refers to the mode or channel used to settle a financial transaction between a buyer and a seller. It defines how the payment is made, such as through cash, check, credit card, bank transfer, or UPI, and is essential for processing and reconciling payments in the financial system. For example, methods can include cash, check, direct deposit, direct debit, or wire transfer. Now let's move to the system and create a few payment methods. First, log in with your login credentials. At the landing page, you can see the various mosaics or dashboards, which currently show no data. This is because you are configuring a new tenant. If you want to create the payment method in the Onfinity ERP system under the star organization, it means the payment methods created here will be visible to other organizations as well. In this case, you just need to remove the filter and change the organization. From the menu search utility, you can search for the payment method window. Alternatively, you can directly click on Master Data Management under the Business Partner Center. Under Terms and Conditions, you will find Payment Method. Some payment methods may already be configured. To create a new one, select the star organization. Enter the payment method name. For example, enter direct deposit. Next, select the payment base type. In this case, choose direct deposit. There are various types of payment methods you can create in the Onfinity ERP system. Whatever name you provide at the level of the payment method, select the relevant payment base type accordingly. The payment rule defines whether the transaction is electronic or manual. Direct deposit is an electronic transaction, so select EFT. As soon as you select EFT, the system updates the payment mode automatically. Based on the payment base type, certain checks are applied, and the system pulls up the corresponding payment mode, which is directly related to payments. Then select the payment type. If you are creating batches for direct deposit, select Batch. If you are creating a single transaction, then select Single. Next, choose who triggers the payment. Either it will be pulled by the recipient or pushed by the sender. For direct deposit, if it is pushed by the sender, select that option. If this payment method is specific to a certain currency, then select the relevant currency. If you choose a currency, this payment method will be available only for transactions with the same currency. If you want this payment method to be used for all currencies, then do not select any specific currency. Active indicates that this payment method is currently active and ready for use. Now save this record, and in this way, you can create various payment methods in the Onfinity ERP system. That concludes this session. Thank you for attending.